Hello students, so today we start exercise 6 of ML Agrawal's book, which is factorization, and this is also called children remainder and factor theorem. So there are 3-4 varieties of question. It has a little difficult and complicated theory, so but how we apply and do it's quite easy. So straight away we will take the sum from ICSE 2019 and we will try to learn. So there are 3-4 varieties of question. The very first variety where I'll try to do 2-3 questions on a cubic equation. These are cubic equation where one of the factor is given, so we have to find other 2 factor. Okay, so quadratic equations have 2 factors, cubic equation has 3, biquadratic has 4. So here we go. So one factor we have to show, so we have to show this is there, then next step we will see. So what we will do, if x minus 2 is given, then so actually children, this is called fx. This is a function of x, so directly we will take f2 by factor theorem. If sign we will change, if it is minus 2 it becomes 2, and if it is plus 2, this you have to take minus 2. So here wherever there is x, so once more whatever is here we change the sign and take here, and in place of x we will substitute that and see what we get. So in place of x, children, I will put 2. Okay, so wherever x is there we have put 2, and let us see what do we get, children. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, so we get 12 minus 12, which is 0. So when remainder is 0, that means if f2 when you put remainder is 0, that means x minus 2 is a factor of, therefore x minus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation of, in short I'll call it fx. So you could say let fx be here. Okay, so here you will get 1 mark, children, if you do. When you show that remainder is 0 and this is a factor, 1 mark you will get. Next we will divide this cubic equation by x minus 2. So traditional method we will use. So we write x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Okay, so here we will write x, to make it equal to x cube we multiply by x square. So x square into x is x cube, x square minus 2x is minus 2x square. Now we subtract, children. So we get, so this is traditional division, 3x square minus 4x. Okay, so to get 3x square from x, we will multiply it with 3x. So 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is minus 6x. So when we subtract, children, we get here 2x minus 4. So to make x equal to 2x, you can divide this by this to get the factor, this by this. So here we get 2 plus 2. Plus 2 into x is 2x, plus minus minus 4. So here you see we get remainder, because we know this is a factor, but here we are interested in quotient. So finally you see what we do. So one thing you know, children, if I can give you another example over here, if this is called dividend, and if I divide by 6 4s are 24, if the remainder is 0, then dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Otherwise, you know, if remainder is there, what happens? Other example, suppose 27 I divide by 5, 5s are 25 2. So what do we get? 27 is 5 into 5 plus 2. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus 2. But when 6 is a factor of 24, we know 24 is 4 into 6. Okay, so when your remainder is 0, then dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So this is what we will do. This is actually this into this. Okay, so or before, because we have to factorize this also, so you can factorize before. So this is this is this into this. Now see children, okay, so this is a cubic equation fx. So this is this into this, you will get this fx. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. So here I can use a big bracket to factorize. So this is what is middle term breaking. We have seen in class 8 and 9 middle term factorization, trinomial middle term we break. So see, x minus 2, x plus 2, I take out 1, x plus 2. So finally we get x minus 2. This will be x plus 1, x plus 2. So finally we have factorized this cubic equation. So once more, just you can pause the video and copy, then I will explain it to you once more. Listen, first we have a cubic equation. You have to show that this is a factor. So what I do, if minus 2 is given, I take 2. So this is fx. In place of x I put 2. Here wherever x is there I put 2 and I see what I get. So when you get 0 means this is a factor of this. So 1 mark you will get here. Now you divide this cubic equation by x minus 2 because we know it's a factor. Then we will get a quadratic equation which can be further broken into 2 more factors. So finally when your remainder is 0, this is this into this. This 24 is 6 into 4 because remainder is 0. If remainder is there, you know this. Dividend is quotient into divisor plus remainder. But here this is this into this. So finally we are factorizing this cubic equation. Remember fx is this. You can write this full thing over here, or I have written in short fx. So it is this into this, and further I factorize this quadratic equation or quadratic expression into by middle term breaking we get 2 factors. So finally this cubic equation is this into this into this. So once you do this, you will get full mark. So this was our question for the year 2019. So next we move on to very similar question, which is year 2002. So here in the same way we know fx is x cube minus 7x square. So let it be, let fx, this is our function. So when x minus 3 is a factor, we take f3. If it is minus 3, we take plus 3. If it is plus 3, we take minus 3 by factor theorem. And everywhere, wherever we have x, we take 3 children. So we should get, since it is saying it's a factor, we have to show this remainder has to be 0. So 3 cube is 27, 9 sevens are 63 plus 45 minus 9. So this is, you will get 72 minus 72 is 0. Therefore x minus 3, so 1 mark you will get here, is a factor of fx. I'm writing in short, you can write this full thing. Second thing, by traditional method we divide fx, that is x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 by x minus 3. So x into this divided by this gives you what you will multiply this with this. So x square plus x gives you x cube. X square minus this gives you 3x square. This into this. Let us subtract. So we get minus 4x square plus 15x. Okay, so with what we will multiply this? So we will multiply x with minus 4x. So you will get minus 4x square minus minus plus 4 3s are 12x. Let us subtract. We get 3x minus 9. So you multiply with 3. 3 into x is 3x and plus 3 minus 3 is minus 9. So this into this is 3x and this into this is minus 9. So when you subtract, children, it cancels. That means, so see now finally, okay, so this line I am rubbing, so you will get 1 mark here. So I am writing therefore x minus 3 is a factor of fx. Okay, so I'm writing the final thing over here. So there are two ways, children. First is you can factorize it separately. Let me show you here. X square minus 4x plus 3. So this quadratic expression I can do like this. So x minus 3 minus 1 I take x minus 3. So this is x minus 1. This you have done in class 8 and 9, children. So we factorize by middle term breaking. Now see finally, we know fx, that is our this equation. If you want to write, you can write it fully. This, as I taught you earlier, is no remainder. This is this into this. So x minus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, this is this into this, because remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, dividend is divisor into quotient. So finally, children, we have got one factor, and this we have broken into two factor. So this is x minus 1, x minus 3. Okay, so this we have divided into 2. So this you can write it as x minus 3. There are 2x minus 3 square x minus 1. So once more, we had to show one factor. So I am doing this sum where one of the factor is given. Next, my part 2 of the video will be where no factor is given. And part 3, we have many other miscellaneous type of sum where we will do. So at least 3 video lesson you will have. So first video lesson, what I am having, one factor is given. So see, once more I'll explain to you this particular question. So when x minus 3 is a factor, change the sign and take f3. So this is fx, this is a cubic equation. So this is a function of x. So in place of x, you put wherever x is there, you put 3. We will get 0 because it's a factor. So this is how we show it's a factor, 1 mark here. Then what we do traditional division. When you do division correctly, quotient when you get correct will give you another mark. Second mark you will get there. So finally you will break the quotient into two parts. Okay, and see final one very important thing, your answer, this should be this into this, all these three factor you have to show. Sometimes children write this only, everything is right, they don't write this is equal to this into this into this. So you lose 1 mark, children, because it's a cubic equation, it will have 3 factor. So sometimes children leave it here, they don't write this part. So this part missing means you lose 1 mark. So 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and this final answer with correct factorization of this gives you another mark. So this was